What is going on, YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on another video for Cowboy Diecast Racing. It's your cowboy here, and we will be doing part 2 of the Johnny Lightning muscle car drags. So if you saw the last video, here were the winners of that last drag, and those were the losers. So let me get the first two up there, guys, and we will get this going on. Also, I'm going to have some pretty cool diecast features of the video, guys, so stick around for that after we do some drag racing here. It'll be some cool things to show, kind of like a Christmas haul I got. Alright, guys, let's get the first two up there. Alright, guys, we have the first two Johnny Lightnings up there. We got that Plymouth Fury and the Cuda. Alright, guys, let's see who wants to win this race. They're raring to go. Alright, let's see who takes it, y'all. Whoa! That was definitely the Fury with the gap. That is amazing that the Fury, this big boat, is doing well. So we got him as the winner. On that one for the final two, because we got 4 cars to race. And we'll get the next two up there and see who takes on. I think it's going to be the Fury and one of these other lucky cars. Obviously, this guy didn't win, so he's a loser. So out of these three. Alright, let's get the next two up there, guys. Alright, guys. We have the Vega and the GNX. Both of those motors poking out the top. So we're going to see who's going to win this. The Vega is pretty fast, but you never know, right? Alright. So who takes it, y'all? Lane 6. That's kind of what I was thinking. The Vega won. And the GNX gets to go home. Not this time. We'll put him down here with all the losers. And he's over there, the winner. Alright. Now we're going to see who's going to take on this vet. We'll probably put him against the Fury. So let's get him up there, guys. Alright, guys. Actually, we're going to race the vet and the vet with the flames. Johnny Lightning vet with the flames and the Vega first. And then we'll see who takes on the Fury. Alright. Let's get this race going. Let's see who takes it. Oh! The vet with the flames. He's your winner of that race. I'd like to find the Camaro with the flames, guys. Johnny Lightning, you all know what that one is. Pretty desired car. So, alright. It's like your final race is going to be between the Fury and the vet with the flames. Let's get them up there, guys. Who do you think it's going to be? I don't know. That Fury was walking away from all the other cars, so we'll see. It'll be that Fury or this vet with the flames to win this Johnny Lightning muscle car drags. Alright, guys. Here we go. Let's see who takes it, y'all. Oh! Winner! Lane 6! Wow. The Fury's on his side, but he won. He took it, guys. That is a pretty fast Johnny Lightning right there. It was shocking to me that this Fury was the winner. It's a good looking car. I haven't seen a Fury, Johnny Lightning Fury before, so I like that paint. Pretty good detail too. Alright guys, there you have it. That is your winner of the Johnny Lightning Muscle Drags. Appreciate you guys checking that out. I had fun racing them. Here's all your competitors that didn't win. Wow. Alright. That's cool. Alright guys. I've got some really cool coming up next. I think you guys know what's next. Alright guys, yes, it is the Diecast feature, or features of the video. I got some cool things to show you guys right now. Kind of like a Christmas haul. So, we're panning down, panning slowly, panning slowly, panning slowly. Check that thing out. 9092 Tonka. Alright guys, our first one is, check this out. It's a super treasure hunt. Custom 53 Chevy. This will be staying in the package there. Does have a protector on it. Check that out guys, this is from 2009. That is awesome. What a paint job. Translucent hood right there. Those wheels. And this is Cowboy Diecast Racing got this for me for Christmas. So I was pretty stoked when I opened this one up on Christmas. But isn't that cool guys? That's actually my first super treasure hunt. I'm hoping I can get some more. They are hard to find out in the wild. Alright guys, that's the first one. And I'll get the second one up here for you guys. Check this out guys. I was lucky enough to get all 6 of the new Hot Wheels 2024 set. We got the blue 935, 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo, Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. Here's one of my favorites. I love these 70 Porsche 911s. Would love to have one in real life, but as you know, those things are skyrocketing right now in price. Yeah, I thought this one was pretty cool. The Porsche 356 Speedster. I think it's pretty sweet. And guys, the one that everybody wants, the chase, the Porsche 914-6. That is the one. I saw this selling on eBay by itself for up to $50. Prices were, you know, between like 35 and 50 from what I saw, but that's the one people are looking for. And I thought that was awesome, guys. I'm gonna try to find another set to open, except for this one. This one's gonna be hung up. I hope I can find another one I can open up. But alright guys, I got one more thing to show you on this Diecast features of the video. So let me get those up there for you. Alright guys, I was stoked when I found these. Check this out. This is the Matchbox Days of Thunder Race Car Challenge Diecast 2-pack sets. Look at this. This even has the 151 Mellow Yellow and the 18 Hardys. And over here we have 46 and Super Flow motor oil and Chevrolet City. Look at these things, guys. These were only $3. I love it has that Kmart sticker on it on both of them. Guys, I saw these selling on eBay for over $25 for a set, and I got them right there for $3 a piece, a set. So you know me, guys. I love opening stuff up. I am going to keep the packaging for these. So let me get these opened up, and we'll take a closer look. There they are, guys. Out of the package. These things look so good. I love things out of package. I'm gonna check these out. Those are so cool. These are from 1991, guys. 1991. Here's the famous Mellow Yellow Coal Trickle. Obviously played by Tom Cruise. These are so cool. I love these. I was so stoked. Man. Look at that one, guys. That is insane. I love these old Matchbox NASCARs. And look, they all got suspensions on them, which is pretty cool. I know Matchbox did that with some of their other stuff. All of them have that. That is cool, man. I love it. And yes, I did save the packaging because it was in good shape. So, man, I was just looking at my track. Ooh, all the graphite. That thing's dirtier than a Miley Cyrus concert, I'll tell you what. But hey, you know, those guys like to graphite our cars, so that is how that goes. Alright, guys. That's going to do it for the diecast features of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed those. I've really enjoyed sharing them with you, and man, I'm so stoked to have all of them. So hopefully you will join me again for the next diecast feature of the video on my next videos. Alright guys, hey, that is going to do it for this video. Man, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, checking out this video, this Johnny Lightning Part 2 muscle drags. I appreciate you guys clicking on it. Hope you help me keep reaching my goal. I think I'm right at 100 subscribers, so that's awesome. Hopefully I can get to 500. Just keep growing from there. So if you do like, subscribe, and share these videos, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. I'd appreciate it. And we will see you guys down that cowboy diecast racing trail on the next video. God bless.